Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to make a secret underground survival base in blocks.io. Let's get started. So, to make this underground base, you're gonna need to find an autumn leaves biome. After you found an autumn leaf biome, find some fallen leaves like this, a bunch of 3, then dig like this. You'll have to dig like 20-30 blocks. There's no really limit, but like it should be pretty deep so no one can actually find it. So as you can see, I digged pretty down. So now I'm gonna grab my ladders, my iron ladders. You can choose between wood and iron. Then place them as shown. Place them like that and not like straight to make your movement much faster. So now, next to the beneath the autumn leaf, place a grass block and leave a gap between the ladder and the grass block. So like whenever you want to go up, you do like this, then you break the grass block, you make the ladder jump. So if nobody knows what's the ladder jump, it's you crouch on the ladder from 5 to 10 seconds, then you jump. So, and then here's your secret entrance. And if you want to, when you leave, you patch it up, you just destroy the block next to it and then patch it up. Alright, now that we're finally finished with the entrance, we can make the actual base. So now go down the entrance, then mine those 2 blocks. Now we're gonna mine a rectangular prism. This rectangular prism is gonna be 8 blocks wide, 4 blocks tall, and 12 blocks long. Let's get into it. Okay, so now it should look like that by now. So what we are gonna do right now is mine another layer of stone right underneath, so we can make the floor. Okay, so after we've mined another layer, you are gonna grab some aspen logs, aspen wood planks, and cedar wood planks. Then follow my pattern for the floor. Okay, great. So now you finished the floor. So now we are gonna mine a whole layer on every wall of stone so we can make the walls. Alright, great. So now we finished mining. We are gonna grab maple wood planks. And now with our maple wood planks, we are gonna fill in all the walls. Alright, now that we're finished with the walls, we are gonna dig another layer up here so we can make place for the roof. Alright, after you've mined this layer, go in your inventory and grab pine wood planks. We are going to use pine wood planks to make the roof. Now that we finished the roof, the walls and the floor, grab some maple logs. Firstly, put them in each corner of the room. This will add life to the decor and the design to make it a beautiful base. After you've done that, connect all the maple logs together. Now, count one block from here, so 1, then place maple logs like that. Do that on the other side. And there. Our room is nearly finished. We only have the interior to do now, but we'll get to that later. Okay, so now that we're finished with this room, we're gonna go make the next room, which will be a wheat farm. Because no base is a base without a wheat farm. Whether you're playing hardcore and you want to regenerate your health, or you're gonna PvP a friend and need bread, wheat is always needed. So now go here and break the 4 blocks here, actually the 8 blocks here, and 2 blocks there. Then mine a rectangular prism that is 13 blocks long, 10 blocks wide, and 6 blocks tall. Please subscribe and hit the bell.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to
Okay,
town.
so now that we are finally done mining this big prism, grab some maple wood planks and fill in all the walls as shown.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So now you're done with the walls, grab pine wood planks and fill in all the roof.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town
Alright, so now let's do the floor. So grab aspen wood planks and place them as shown on the border of the roof of the walls of the floor.
tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Leaving the middle empty. So now grab some grass blocks and place them in the middle.
Heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Okay. So now grab a diamond hoe or any type of hoe, like to smoothen out this area, so we can get tiled soil, just like that. Alright, so now grab some wheat seeds and plant them on the tiled soil.
From town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Alright, and then grab maple logs and we'll do the same thing that we made in the other room. Place them in the corners and then connect them just like that. Then count one block from here and place like that. Do the same thing on the other side. And then we are gonna grab some furnaces and place 3 like that. And there the wheat farm is officially finished. Let's move on to the next room. Now let's make the storage room, because whether you want to build something or you have too many apples, a storage room is the perfect place to store all your items and be very organized. So for this storage room, destroy the 4 blocks here and then the 2 blocks here. Then mine a rectangular prism that is 8 blocks wide, 8 blocks long, and 6 blocks tall. Alright, now that we are finished mining, cover all the walls using maple wood planks. Now cover all the ceiling with pine wood planks. Now let's make the floor using aspen wood planks and cedar wood planks. So we're gonna make the same pattern that we made in the first room. Just like that. So now that you've finished with the floor, grab some chests. And place them as shown all over the wall. But leave the top layer empty because we're gonna use that to place signs saying what item the chest has. Alright, with the top layer, place maple logs, like that. Then grab signs. And over each 3 chests, we're gonna place a sign that says what item the chest has. So like this chest, I'm gonna put like wood as an example. So now our storage room is finished. So now let's make the details of our first room. So for this one, place a furnace here, grab a moonstone chest, an artisan bench, and a workbench. Place them as shown next to the furnace, and then place a chest next to them. Then grab a bed, any color you want. I'm gonna choose a cyan bed and place 2 down here. And there you have it, an easy yet awesome survival base, fully underground and top secret. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.